All right, my people, you guys, I made a video yesterday and I talked about boom, right? You can see we are in profit right now. We're in the VIP group. We are winning. We are winning big because it is our theme to win this year. We are going to win. We are going to win. We are going to win. Okay. We are currently running in profit. We're currently running in profits. The VIP group we are enjoying right now. Okay. Let me show you guys how we do it in the VIP group. Okay, let me show you guys how everyone is happy, everyone is making profit, this is our free channel. You can join us. It's very free to join us here. All right, we teach you guys what you need to know, all you need to know to be profitable, to grow your small accounts. It's very easy with us. In our Telegram channel, we are doing the most, guys. We are doing the most. All right, so our trade is currently running. We are in profit. We're in profit right now, guys. All right, so I'll quickly show you guys how yesterday I made a video and I talked about boom 1000, right? So I'm going to show you how the strategy works with crash. I'm going to show you how the strategy works with crash. You can see I always tell you guys that price action is key, and that's how we win, guys. That's how we win. So yep, I'm going to show you guys exactly. If you had seen the video yesterday, if you have not seen the video yesterday, you should go back to the previous post and look it up. You can see how it works for boom 1000, boom 500, and boom everything. That is what we are using right now to kill this market. So let me quickly show you guys how it works for crash. It's directly opposite of what we do with boom 1000, right? It's directly opposite what we do with boom 1000. If you had seen the video, I said that you allow your indicators, you allow your indicators to get to the overbought level, to the oversold level rather, for boom 1000. All right, but for crash, you allow your indicators to come, you allow this moving average here. You see this line here, see this brown line, allow it to come to this level. All right, once it comes to this level, you will definitely be expecting a spike. Remember, you're always to look it up on the lower time frame, right? But before you go to the lower time frame, all right, you have to be sure of your trend. You have to be sure of where the market is headed, so you know what you are doing. You want to catch multiple spikes. It's very easy, guys. As soon as you know where the market is headed, you know if it is an uptrend or it's in a downtrend. Of course, you should know by now that if you are to catch crash spikes, you wouldn't be buying, you'll be selling rather. So you are looking at getting the market trending towards the downside, and then you go to your area of value, or you wait for the market for the price to come to your area of value, and then you take a sell. That's how you'll be catching multiple spikes. Of course, with the help of these indicators, you catch as much spikes as possible. So I'll quickly show you guys how. I don't want this video to be long. This is like a part 2 of the video I made yesterday. So I'm going to show you guys how to set this up real quick, right? I don't want this video to be long. So these are the indicators you are going to be needing, right? The first indicator you'll add is the average directional movement index, right? As soon as you add that, this information is for the new guys. As soon as you add this, it will create an indicator window 1 for you, right? So you're not going to be needing any indicator on the main chart, right? Look at the main chart here. Guys. You're not going to be needing any indicator there. So if you don't have any indicator installed on your MT5 already, you are going to only see the main chart. When you click on that indicator icon, you're going to only be seeing this. All right, that shouldn't cause any panic, because all you have to do is click here, click the F here, right? And then add this first, add average directional movement index first. Once you do that, it's going to automatically create an indicator window 1 for you, where you're going to be adding all of these other indicators, right? So here we go. quickly take note of all of this, of the settings. It's very important. If you miss any of them, you'll be making mistakes, guys. So you can screenshot it. I don't want the video to be long. You can screenshot it and set it up, right? As soon as you're done with that, you're going to see the indicator one, the window indicator window one here. So you go back to adding, you go back here, right, and then you add other indicators. Commodity channel index, all right, you can add that next. See the setup, period 14, apply to typical price, styles, you see 2 pixels. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure that it is visible on your screen. All right, see the level minus 100 and 100. That's you're done with that. You just click done, right? And then you go to the next one and add moving average. All right, period 10 moving average. All right, this is 10 period moving average. This is shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, styles for pixel. You can choose the color that will make sense to you, right? And then you're done with that. You click done. All right, and then you add the next one, which is the market facilitation index. You add that. Okay, so you can see the setup is very simple. You can screenshot it and set it up when you are free. All right, so you see that volume stick line width is 4 pixels, guys. All right, MFI up and volume up, green, black, green. You can choose any color of your choice, guys. You can choose any color of your choice, but just make sure that it is visible on your screen, guys. Let me quickly check our trade and see how it's doing. Of course, it has to be doing well. Okay, we are still in profit. So I'll go back to show you guys how we are doing this right now. We are killing the market. It's very it's very easy if you follow these principles that I'm going to show you guys now. So before I forge ahead, guys, I want you to subscribe to this channel, please. It's very important. It helps me grow too, as my mission here is to help all of us grow, is to help each other grow. So subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, so that when I post another one, you'll be notified ASAP, right? And then, like I said, you can join us on our free channel on Telegram. We post free signals. And you can also chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link here, so you can get to me directly. I don't want you to stress. Get to me directly when you have any challenges or you want to enroll in my mentorship program. It's very important that you do this, because if you have the knowledge, you won't be found wanting. Guys. So hit me up on WhatsApp. I'll drop the link in the description of this post, right? Join our VIP. If you don't have the time to learn to trade by yourself, join our VIP. You'll be making a lot of money, guys. You're making a lot of money, guys. It's very easy. So yeah, now that you have added all of these indicators, right, this is it, guys. Remember, I showed you for boom yesterday. I'm going to be showing you for crash now. All right, I'm going to be showing you for crash now. So this is it, guys. You want to catch multiple spikes, first of all, go to a higher time frame and know the market direction, right? Make sure you always want to make sure that the market is trending downwards, right? You always want to be sure that the market is creating a series of lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and all of that. You'll be sure at that point that the market is in a downtrend, right? And then you go to your area of value. All right, you allow the market to come to your area of value, guys. Patience is key in this business. You have to wait for the market to come to you, right? So once the market comes to your area of value, all right, be your resistance in the case of crash 1000, crash 500, crash anything, all right, that's where you place a trade. But before you do that, for further confirmations, guys, this is why I'm bringing on this indicator. These indicators detect spikes, guys, but you need price action. I always emphasize this. You need price action to be on the safe side. So this is how the indicator works. You go back to your lower time frame, and then you want to ensure that the market is, that your indicator, this brown line, this is moving average. You want to be sure that it is at this level, guys. You want to be sure that it is at this level, right? You want to be sure that it is at this level, and then you place a sell. I don't want this video to be long, otherwise I would love to show you guys how this is going. Our boom is still in profit. It's still in profit. All right, our boom is still in profit, and we are making a lot of money, guys. This is our VIP are taking the signal right now. Our VIP are taking the signal right now. All right, so this is it. Price is the market indicator is here right now at this level. This is the overbought level, right? And then what's going to happen next is definitely going to be a spike, guys. It's going to be a spike. It's going to be a spike. I wish I'm going to be here to record while it happens, but I don't want this video to be long. So how do you know when to catch multiple spikes? That's the essence of this video, right? All right, so this is it. Once the first spike comes, right, sometimes me especially, I usually allow the first spike to go, right? I usually allow the first spike to go because I want to be sure that it is time to catch spikes. All right, soon as this first spike happens, I don't feel terrible for missing the first spike, right? Soon as the first spike happens, you might see this black line, right? You see this black line here, you might see the black line, and that indicates that there are going to be multiple spikes. So that's when I place a sell, and then I catch spikes. This is it, guys. Let me show you how it happens. Let me show you how it works. This is price, this is this indicator at this level, and then there was a spike here. But there was this black line didn't appear immediately. That's why that's why the candlesticks kept going on, and then the black line came up here, and then there was another spike, guys. There was another spike, right? All right, so this is another one. This is another example. Excuse me. This is another example. This indicator, the moving average came to this level, right? And then there was a spike. You see, it spiked to the downside. I'm gonna show you how it happens over and over again. It keeps happening. This is another one. This is a very long spike. This is a very long spike here, and you can see this black line. Here. Soon as let me use the brush. So soon as price got to this level, right? Soon as price got to that level, there was a very long spike. And why that very long spike? Because of this black line here. This black line came up, and then it indicated that this spike, whoa. Let's go back to see. I think that by this time there must have been a spike. You see what I'm saying, guys? There was a spike. You see, there was a spike. You see, we entered the market here. And boom, it spiked to the downside, guys. It's going to spike again. Very soon. So let me keep showing you more examples, guys. This is live trade. This is how we make money every day. You can join our VIP and make a lot of money for yourself without having to stress. You're making a lot of money for yourself. We are here to make money, guys. We are not here to joke. Guys. So these are perfect examples, guys. This is another one. The indicator came to this level, and then there was a spike. Here. Guys. So you see, I showed you how this works for boom yesterday. So I'm doing this video now to show you how it works for crash. Remember, for boom, you are going to be buying. You are going to be looking for the market to go to the upside, so you can be buying from your area of values. And trust me, this is very simple. You just have to be sure of what you're doing. Guys. So let's check our trade again and see how it's going. Wow, guys, you are making a lot of money here. So yep, it's very simple, guys. All right. So like I said, you can hit me up on WhatsApp anytime. Feel free to come to me if you have any challenges. I'll be here to guide you. This is my passion, is to make sure that I have a lot of people who testify every day, and that is happening every day already, and I'm happy, guys. So feel free to hit me up. feel free to hit me up. It's very simple to do this and make money. You only lose money when you're not doing the right thing. All right. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. Like I said, I'll be cutting it here, and I'll see you guys again next time.